Great teaching changes lives, and this ambition is at the heart of the Curriculum for Wales. This report looks at how schools are developing their approaches to teaching, drawing on inspection evidence, visits to schools, and the views of teachers, leaders and pupils. Where teaching is strong, pupils thrive. They build knowledge, apply skills in meaningful ways, and grow in confidence as learners. But the report also finds that in some schools the quality of teaching is still too variable, and this can limit pupils' progress. In the best schools, leaders and staff share a clear vision for teaching, learning is carefully sequenced, key concepts are revisited, and teaching includes authentic context for learning and purposeful feedback that moves learning forwards. This report also finds that professional learning and collaboration between teachers are fundamental to improving teaching. As one teacher told us, we now have a culture of openness. We are encouraged to look at things with a critical eye and find our own way. Yet the report also notes that professional learning focused on pedagogy isn't always prioritised well enough and can be limited by time and resources. The report highlights case studies from schools that have transformed their practice. Some had previously been in Estyn follow-up, but by prioritising teaching and collaboration, they have made significant progress and moved out of category. Overall, this report recommends that schools strengthen their vision for teaching, ensure curriculum planning supports progression, and make self-evaluation focused directly on the impact of teaching. It calls on school leaders, partnerships, local authorities and Welsh Government to provide sustained, high-quality professional learning grounded in research and practical classroom practice to ensure that every pupil benefits fully from the opportunities offered by the Curriculum for Wales.